Hello, it's Miss Esther, and today we're going to learn a new letter. This letter's name is F. Look at this F, the flamingo. She is freezing. Do you see her scarf? She must be cold. While she's cold, she makes this sound. So put your hands on the outside of your arms and make that sound with me. Your teeth should be on that bottom lip while you make that sound. Now, we're going to hear part of the story on song form while you do the action with me. Here we go. Again, ready? Isn't that fun to be cold? Okay, so a fun activity you can do to help you remember the sound of F is found in the Amazing Action Alphabet activity book. Here is an F that you can cut out on whatever paper you want, or you can color. And here's her beak and her feet and her scarf and her hat. This is my F, the flamingo. I put all those on and I glued them on. So when you're finished with that, you make sure you shake the paper, making the sound as she's freezing. Another interactive activity you can do is one of two things. You can take little Easter eggs and you can match the lowercase letters with the uppercase letters. So after you match it, then you can put it together. And I like to crack my eggs in my frying pan when I know I did a good job. Or you can do a pattern or a puzzle. Find the upper and lowercase letters that match. And I can put it back in my can to have it sizzle when it's all finished. Another fun activity is by this time, for your older ones that are ready for the next level, they can start listening for the ending sound. So I've got all these little feathers, and I ask, okay, what's the last sound you hear in mat? Mat. The last sound I hear is a t sound. Very good. So I'm going to take this feather and I'm going to put it right on my bird so the bird can be covered with all of her feathers. And one of my favorite games is right here. I've taken all the letters that have been taught so far, and when I pull out this one, you run around the room and flap like a bird saying and then come right back to your seat. So if I pull out this one, you would say S. But if I pull out this one, you'd run around the room and say and come back to your seat. For those of you that are ready to learn the reading in the Amazing Action Alphabet Beginning Reader book, your word family in the house is the if family and the it family. Just for fun, I found a little nest so we could review the word family in the nest. Then, introducing the story, to introduce the words, I took my same letter F that was found in the activity book, and I wrote the words on the back. I found a little nest. And once I've read those words, Tiff, then I have them color all the words Tiff pink, and she now can be in the nest. And here's the word tap. After we read the word tap, we color all the words that say tap purple. And then the words that say pit, we're going to color orange. Now pit, in the story, there is a peach tree, and the bird is eating a pit. So I actually found a pit to show you today. So when you're reading the story, you'll know what a pit is. And then the last word was tip. So now that we have our bird all made together, we're ready to read the story. I found a little puppet that might help us today. So if you have a puppet at home, you can do the same thing, or you can use your finger to point. So here's a picture of our friend today. Her name is Tiff. And Tiff is trying to eat some of this peach. And inside the peach, there's the pit. So I think she finally gets the pit, and uh-oh, it falls. And at the very end, let's read that together. It says, Tiff has a fit. She's like, why did you scare me? It made me drop my pit. Having a fit means you get all upset by something. Now remember, if it's tricky for you, you can always put your words in the word box. Okay, so let's review some of the things we've done today. Let's do a new game. This is a new game. I'm going to say this chant, and you're going to say the sound that it goes with. I say H, you say H, H. I say F, you say F, F. I'll do one more. I say C, you say K. Yeah, that's right. C, K, C, K. Good job. There's a lot of fun things you can do to review and enjoy those fun letters. Okay, for those ideas and more, the website is www.cheheardocompany.com.